Okay guys, we're now boarding the vessel. Here. Thank you. Thank you.
Deep within, here we go. But somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless, reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again. Sinking in, back on the shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But in that second, you're still mine. Diving in to all this endless space, falling stars.
All drivers and vehicle passengers, please return to your vehicles. You will find the stairwells and elevators near the front, middle, and back sections of the ship. To reduce engine exhaust, please do not start your engine until after the ship docks, and vehicles in your lane are directed to begin offloading. Thank you for sailing with BC Ferry. We look forward to seeing you again.
You know, it's a good place, right? It's out in the middle of nowhere.
I know off Victoria, there's now container ships all the time just waiting. You know it's busy, right?
Oh, yeah. When it's easy access to the highway, you know, you can go to Chilliwack and out that way, or the ferry this way.
Here, if you've ever boated in here, so they must have to keep dredging to keep it.
Well, I'm pretty sure they're just gonna fill it full of.
Or dredge it, yeah.
Yeah.
We are about to dock at the Chowson BC Ferry terminal here in Delta.